Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about Dropbox Activity and Dropbox Events. So they're two different things. They're similar, but not quite the same. So when you're in Dropbox, you could be anywhere. Let's say you're on your all files, or your root folder here. And if you open the details pane here, you'll have an activity section, and this will show you activity for the all files section here. You can see we have some files added and deleted and shared and so on. And then you could also filter it by added, deleted, edited, moved, renames, rewound. And then if you were to click on, let's say, one folder here, and you go to the activity, you see it changes just for that folder. If there's no activity, it'll show nothing right there. So that's activity. So like I said, just get to it from the side panel here and go to the activity section. So then for events, the easiest way to get to it is to go to dropbox.com/events, and if you're logged in, it'll take you to your events page here. And you can see that it's similar, where it says, it has the same test files here that we saw in the all files here, like that. But what the events will show you is if you've added apps and other things, such as adding a computer. So this W11 home computer was linked to this Dropbox account, so that tells you when it was done. And then it tells you what apps were added, and then also when they were done too. And then of course you could click on it to be taken to your account information. And for files, you could click on the file to be taken to that file, and so on. So once again, for activity, just pick your folder or your root folder there, go to the side panel, go to activity, you can see what's going on there. But this only goes back a certain distance here, where this events will show you more information, and then you could also change the type of events and what dates you want to, or how far back you want it to go to. So once again, just dropbox.com/events will take you there, and then activities just right in your main Dropbox page. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.